Revulsion, noun. Revulsion, noun. A sense of disgust and loathing. A sense of disgust and loathing. Revulsion. 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 Example: news of the attack will be met with sorrow and revulsion. Example: news of the attack will be met with sorrow and revulsion. Synonyms: disgust, repulsion, abhorrence, repugnance, nausea, loathing, horror, hatred. Synonyms: disgust, repulsion, abhorrence, repugnance, nausea, loathing, horror, hatred. Antonyms: delight, liking. Antonyms: delight, liking. 1. The killing caused widespread revulsion. 2. I turned away in revulsion when they showed a close-up of the operation. 3. He expressed his revulsion at against towards the whale hunting. 4. Most people viewed the bombings with revulsion. 5. The children shrank back from him in revulsion.